a fully finished two-story home with a walkout basement in Smithville. This house is the perfect family home. It's located just a couple minutes walk from the West Lincoln Community Center, which includes a splash pad, skate park, unreal playground, ice rink, gymnasium, soccer fields, and more. This place is dynamite. This massive home offers 7 total bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. Best of all, it has a walkout basement which offers potential for a 2-family setup or for an apartment for additional income. I'm David Hildebrand of the Wayne Skilser team of RE/MAX Escarpment, and welcome to 27 Autumn Circle. If you're interested in moving your family to this awesome neighborhood, call or text me at 905-353-5149 to set up your private viewing.